RC Cars. So today we got something that keeps cropping up. Thought we'd let the TRXs take themselves for a walk. Been having some fun today with them both. Hopefully, if we find somewhere a bit better and a bit more interesting, we'll get a video of the TRX4 and TRX6. But this is a question that keeps coming up quite a lot, so I hope some of you there find this useful.
Right, so one thing that I keep getting asked, and I've seen come up in forums quite a lot, is how do you get the same sort of effect as the cruise control on the standard Traxxas radio gear when you're using one of the Flysky Noble NB4s? So what we've got is normal functionality on the throttle. Then on this button here, so you just press it and we've got cruise control, so on off. And then on this dial here, so I've got that set up, so when you move it you can control your cruise control. So basically what I've got is that dial, and if I turn cruise off it just stops. Now with the settings I've got, you can go up to around 34 and it'll still stop. And all it's doing is using the dead zone and the throttle trim and then the idle up option to give you variable cruise control without affecting the actual normal operation of the throttle. So if I set cruise control on and then you put throttle, it'll speed up from it, let it go, it'll go back. If you set it faster, you can then still accelerate from it. You can push forward and it'll stop, and then push further forward, it'll go to reverse, and then it's back to cruise control. Press the button and it stops. So the settings you need to change to get this to work, basically you want to go into your idle up function, set that to 10%, just add it or minus until it's on 10%, then back out. Then you want to set your idle up to one of your buttons, so you choose that. I've got it on this button here, so you switch to. It's a lot harder doing this looking through the phone. So you want to set it to throttle idle up, turn on off, and normal position. So you've got a huge list of all the things you can assign to it. From that list you want to choose throttle idle up. That gives you the option of turning idle up on and off. And then the next thing you want to do is TR4, set that to be normal throttle trim, and probably better off having it in reverse. And then you can set the steps you want it to go in, I believe. No? Oh, must have to do it on that. Yeah. So you can set the increments of what you want it to go in. So basically all it's doing, the dial on the side is moving your throttle trim, and then this is just giving you a 10% boost on top of that. Now you can change these to whatever you like, but I've found these settings work pretty well on it. So to accelerate, now we've got it in reverse, you can roll forward. To cruise control slower, wind it back. And with the settings I've got, with it on 10% and the standard dead zone setting, you can pretty much go all the way up to about 34, I think it is. Maybe a bit further. So you've got quite a lot of speed you can play about with. Yeah, once you get to 40. Yeah, So basically anyway, from 0 to 40 on the throttle trim will give you the functionality of fully adjustable cruise control. So there you go. Thanks for watching. If you like and subscribe. If you've got any comments, leave below, and hope to see you again next time.